Here is the evaporative cooler. It comes as shown, minus these casters, which you put on yourself pretty easily. Then what you do is, here's the swing button, on and off, and then the speed control that just repeats twice. You open this up, it comes with these ice packets, which you freeze, and then you put in here. You fill this section here with water, which trickles down to this gray compartment down here. You'll see a min-max line. It takes quite a bit of water. I was filling it with a bucket, but it was going too slow, so I ended up using a hose, a water hose, and that took a while just to get to that minimum line. I'd say at least 4 gallons in there, and it can fit more. So that's good news because it'll run cool for quite a while. Feels great out here. As you can see, I'm using it outdoors. Perfect for summer. You can rotate these slots here how you want it pointed. And then when you're done, to store it, back here, there's an outlet that you simply twist off and let the water drain out, and you put it away for the season or for whenever. I'm pretty happy with it. The airflow feels definitely cooler than the outdoor air. Yeah, this is a great buy for summer.
Hi everyone, I just want to give you a quick review on this Evaporative windowless unit I purchased from Amazon by FANCOLE. It's a nice unit, it's lightweight, portable, and I chose this over a window air conditioning unit, one because it's a lot less heavy, and it's portable, like I said, to move around without the water in it, and also it doesn't use any Freon, so it's environmentally safe. It comes with a rotary switch with 3 different speeds. You get a low, medium, and high. It also has a swing door switch where the vertical blades on the inside move horizontally back and forth at a 60-degree angle to circulate the air better. And then it also has some blades in the front that are manually operated. It has a window in the front that lets you know how much water you have, because you can only operate the cooling mechanism when you have water in the unit. It holds over 5 gallons. Quickly, I'll show you the fan speeds at low, medium, and high. And as you can hear, it's pretty strong. There's a lot of air coming through when it's on high. And then if you turn on the swing doors, you'll see that they move at 60-degree angles very slowly, so that it really does circulate the air. It's blowing me over it, really. Now, also, like I said, it has the cooling station. You click that, and it will give you the nice cool breeze coming out. It holds over 5 gallons of water. It has a window in the front to tell you how much water is left, because you don't want to operate that empty or you'll freeze up the pump. If you lift the top open, this is where you add the water, but it also comes with some freeze packs. They're pre-filled and pre-treated. You don't have to open them. First time you use them, they suggest you put it in there for 6 hours, which I did, and then they're reusable, and after about 3 hours it should be fine the next time. Comes with 4 caster wheels. 2 of them are locking, so that works well. In case anybody bumps into it, they're not going to tip it over. It also has a drain plug in the back to drain water. You can hook a hose up to it, put it in your sump pump. But overall, I was really, really impressed with how well this unit cools down. We're going to be using it a lot in our garage in the summertime, but it also in the basement. And we have quite a few Parties down here, it gets crowded, so nice product. I recommend it. Thanks.